Good morning, lovely Glass Fames. How are you all doing, guys? It's another running errands morning, yeah. And I want to just address something. Let me say I want to answer some comments that I've been receiving because I've been messaging a lot of Arab Shagala that I want to start my YouTube channel, and some of them did not reply to me, and some people think it's unfair. Actually, you don't know the reason behind it, that they were not able to give you immediate reply. So in that case, just be calm. So sorry for that if they don't reply you. And a lot of people apart from Shagal, they are messaging me that they want to start their channel as well, but due to my busy schedule, I think the best way for me is just to give you relevant information, the basic. And I will also advise you to start watching how to start a YouTube channel on a various tutorial. Yes, there are a lot of tutorials talking about how to start your own channel. They will put you through step by step, so just watch video made by step YouTubers training people how to start their own channel. Or you can even subscribe to YouTube or YouTube channel itself on YouTube, so that you will understand better the basic and every necessities that you have to know concerning their community, their rules, guidelines, and everything. But these are the first thing that you have to know before you have a YouTube channel. You have to register your information on Gmail. Yes, because your Gmail account is going to be the, let me say, your box that you'll be receiving different comments, messages, and also a way of linking up with the YouTuber people, so that you can understand better. Please guys, let me get back to you. I'm always there where I'm going, so we continue our discussion. Guys, as I was saying, that to reach up to your YouTube community or people on social platforms, so you have to register on Gmail. And when you register on Gmail, you have to protect your account on the first and second step verification, because some people lost their YouTube account, or because they were not aware about that second. Kindly put your safety pin, so that, and if you are kind of person that you can't remember and it's not possible to put everything often, put the code that you use to secure your account, put it into a writing, so that in case of any scarcity, if you are not able to log in, then you just go back to your Jota. So try to watch video, as I said, then, so that you won't be saying you are just, the time you are using to message those people that they don't reply you, you'll be able to watch, you learn by yourself step by step how to start a YouTube channel. And in case if you are not eligible to some apps that I will be telling you, but I know some of it will work and some will not work. It depends on the phone, the kind of phone you are using, because it happens to me. I download series of app back then and it doesn't work on my phone. I'm using Huawei, yeah, so there are some app that will not be accessible on your phone, and I'll be making some apps that I'm using for that are also friendly for a small YouTuber or a new beginning YouTuber. And the first thing, after you downloaded your Gmail, in case you haven't downloaded Gmail account, download it, register. The next thing you try to do is download YouTube itself, YouTube app. And if you're not able to download YouTube app or YouTube Studio, try to download GSpace. In case you are using a phone like my own, if you download GSpace, it has series of apps that you needed most as a YouTuber. Yeah, it has Facebook, Messenger, Gmail. Yes, it has a lot on it. So if you know that your phone is just giving you a problem, you are not able to access to all these things, everything is already compiled to one place on GSpace. Just download GSpace to your phone, and you register every necessary information to maybe the Facebook or the YouTube channel that you want to access to. From there, you will start to be learning how to edit, so that from edit based on editing. From there you learn how to understand the visual, the audio, and every necessary step for you to know, and how to start editing your video. You just have to learn again. Yes, so it depends on the app you are using for your editing. If you are using InShot, as for me, a friendly app that I will recommend to any new YouTuber, a beginner one, friendly one that you can understand so easily, the first one on my list is InShot. It's so easy for you to learn. If you don't learn on your own, just watch how to operate it on YouTube. There are a lot of tutorials, you will understand. So download InShot app. And my favorite right now that I'm using for my own editing is called CapCut. So you can also download CapCut. It has so many fun things to do, so you can use it also for your editing. And the third one, I can recommend KineMaster because it's so popular and it looks so professional. Number one, if you want to enjoy KineMaster very well, you have to subscribe to some to them, so that you can have access to a lot of fun activities on it. But if you are not that kind of person ready for that, for subscription, go for CapCut or InShot. Yes, this is the app I've been using. So guys, download this app. So when you download them, take your time, don't rush. I do told you guys that before I start my channel, I learned on my own for a good month, even how to sit in front of camera, how to compose myself, be confident, know what to say and what not to say. So you just have to calm down, because sometimes there are some things that you learned by yourself without being taught, and you did it perfect. Yes, so when you already start making a progressive start, from there you get to meet people that will put you through that. Oh, and if you do this or if you do that, if you add this to your channel or to what you are doing, is going to give you a better view, or you're going to have a nice view, or this and that. You'll be having a video idea. Some people have been reaching to me, how come you were able to do your editing? And if you go back to all my videos when I just started, it'll be like, what's this? I have a lot of videos on my channel that it has a horrible problem, but I just leave them because that is my starting point. From all those things, I was able to realize where it needs improvement. So for you to have a better improvement, oh, this thing is good and that so this thing is good, this area needs to be touched, then from there you will be getting better every day. Stop saying these people is not replying me, and you were such like, oh, I'm so annoyed about this person, I'm not going to watch her. Don't do that. Kindly understand, based on our work, we are so busy. So those people, they have their reason. Maybe they are busy, or their phone is faulty. Because I was once in that situation whereby a very close friend of mine, we are in same country, and she's having difficulty. She's trying to message me. Towards there, my phone is done spoil, and the screen, I couldn't see anything. The screen was so bad, but she didn't know. She just thought I don't want to reply the messages. So some people are in so many different kind of a situation that they were not able to reply your message. So if you want to start your channel today, go ahead, start learning on your own. Don't depend on anybody. So you can do it. Yes, like seriously, there's something that I thought like, oh, this thing is so hard, I don't think I can do it. I was about to give up, but by the time I was patient, I was calm. But I won't deceive you, once you don't know anything and you are trying to start afresh, it will be like this is unbearable, or you are having a headache due to stress, you are doing this, you are doing that. It happens to me a lot, but if you are patient, you can do it. So download all those apps, all those basic that I've listed are what you need to start your channel. From there you will be getting to know what else you needed and what you are not in need for a better view. And also, what do you need apart from your phone? As a small YouTuber, someone just starting, you have a good phone, good battery, and to have a clean view of your image, ensure you clean your camera lens, I mean your phone lens. Clean it and it will give you that thing. And the most important thing is that you should have a better information to give out. It's not all about giving a pure image, but have information that are relevant, what are needed by people, what people want to hear, what is going to help someone. It's not just to just make fun. I know a lot of people want to watch something fun, but for you to have a YouTube channel, for you to say you want to start a channel also, I know you have a better plan, you have an idea. So this is going to be what I will tell you guys. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? This is Glad Diary. On this channel I will talk about life of a domestic worker in Harab. So look at me, this is my area. I'm going back to my place right now after delivering what I was sent. So kindly subscribe to my channel. See you in my next video. Thank you so much, and I really appreciate you. God bless you. Bye.